Hello, I'm Colin Stewart and I'd like to talk to you about our latest digital innovation, DIGIGAS Notify. Part of our digital solutions family, DIGIGAS Notify is a cylinder contents monitoring system. It improves efficiencies and maintains a high level of safety. A problem we identified when talking with our customers was the amount of time it takes someone to walk around their site inspecting their compressed cylinders to determine how much longer will the gas last in my cylinder. When should I next reorder gas? When should I next walk round site to check my cylinder contents? Or how did I not notice I'm about to run out of gas? This last one could lead to process stoppages and potential high costs to your business. We want to take away the guesswork when it comes to managing cylinder contents, reduce time spent walking around site checking these cylinders, and prevent the additional costs to your production from unexpectedly running out of gas. That's why we've developed BOC's DIGIGAS Notify system to digitalise your gas supply so you can manage your cylinder contents remotely. It will measure and communicate your cylinder gas contents to your computer or any web-connected device. You can set email and/or SMS alerts when contents reach a set point you choose. You have multiple users, each with their own bespoke notifications. And also seeing gas use when you know your process is shut down will identify gas leaks in your system, saving you money and improving safety. So how exactly does BOC's DIGIGAS Notify system work? Our smart sensor can be retrofitted to existing regulators or manifolds that have a spare blanking port on the high pressure side. Or if you do not want to modify your regulator, then you can use our smart sensor adapter, which fits between your cylinder and regulator and comes pre-fitted and pressure tested with our smart sensor. Our smart sensor then measures the pressure and temperature and sends the data wirelessly to a repeater. This is then plugged into the mains power supply local to the sensor. Our smart sensor has a minimum battery life of 5 years, so it means you don't have to change it between the industry recommended time for replacing your regulators. The data is then uploaded to the cloud from the repeater via a mobile connection. Once in the cloud, the data is converted onto percentage contents full and then displayed onto the dedicated website where you can manage it and set up alerts. The contents display is always constant and is not affected by the atmospheric temperature if the manifold or the regulator is stored outside. One repeater can collect data from up to 256 BOC smart sensors if in range. You can install your DIGIGAS Notify system quickly and easily in these 4 simple steps. First, plug your repeater into the main socket. Then, depressurise the system and screw your smart sensor into the pressure regulator blanking port. Or install it via our smart sensor adapter, repressurise and leak test. When installing onto a manifold, 2 sensors are fitted to enable measurement on both banks. Next, BOC will scan the smart sensor QR code and input the cylinder gas data into our installation app. This can be done at your site or remotely by BOC engineers. You can now view your gas contents data on your control and notifications from your smart device. For larger operating systems, or if you need assistance, you can request an engineer to complete the installation for you. If you stop using a particular gas and start using another type, then it is a very quick and simple process to reprogram the sensor, and this can be carried out remotely by BOC. Once you've got your DIGIGAS Notify system set up on a regulator, you'll be able to see a page that looks like this. You can input your regulator's unique serial number and location text so you can easily identify which cylinders are being monitored. It shows the percentage full of the cylinders, and the ring around this is colour coded to easily highlight as the cylinder empties by changing from green when full to orange and then red as it nears empty. The gas type and the BOC material codes are also displayed for ease of reordering. The screen looks slightly different when using DIGIGAS Notify on a manifold system. This shows the contents of the left and the right manifold bank, how many cylinders are fitted to each bank and when each bank was last changed. It also estimates when you may run out of gas on either bank based on current usage. From the website, You can set up email and or text notifications to warn you when the cylinder contents fall below a percentage empty set point you set, as well as how often you want these notifications to be sent. Finally, you can simply activate or deactivate the notification by clicking on this box. You can set up as many users as you want, and each one will have their own bespoke notifications capability. The smart sensor is ATEX approved for any zoned areas your cylinder may be stored in. The repeater will need to be positioned in an unzoned area local to your sensors. Why not try the system out for yourself? It only takes 10 minutes to get a regulator or manifold system up and running, and quickly, and you could be managing your entire compressed gas inventory remotely, saving you time and making unexpectedly running out of gas a thing of the past.